Hello everybody, welcome to Stamping Within. Thanks you so much for joining me today. Unboxings. Always love a good unboxing. Quick question though. How many of you injure yourselves and you have no idea how you did it? Well, there's one. No idea how I did that. No idea how I did that one either. See, it kind of bled around the nail. That's weird. Anyway, orders. I had some stamping rewards last month, so I bought some clearance thingies. These are the enamel dot essentials. Very pretty. I'll hold those up for you. Okay. Picked up these. I'd actually not seen these before. Gold faceted adhesive backed sequins. Look at those. Look how gorgeous they are. Love, love, love. And of course, you can never be without your linen thread. Supervise small children. Yeah, fortunately I don't have any small children. Although maybe I need supervising. So I love that. Anyway, so I did that order. I tried to add the new catalogues to it, and of course you can't. So obviously I had to do an order. I was going to do a pre-order anyway. So I thought, well, I can add them to that. You know what's coming, don't you? Anyway, so the pre-order. Pick these up. These are champagne iridescent dots. I possibly didn't know what I was buying here. But, there we go. Not quite sure what I'm doing with them. Shaker cards maybe? Yeah, possibly. So I got those. I got the Delicate Forest bundle. You make good things better. Stay strong, my friend. Sending our love. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful stamp set. Photopolymer, of course, so you can see where you're stamping. And the bundle comes with dies. Let me open these for you. Maybe I should have done this before I started filming. Never mind. It all adds to the debris. That goes in the recycling. Take that out. And then we have the, ooh, look at that. Oh, I like that. I like that. I like that a lot. Yes. That's the, so that goes in that way. Let me put you back into shot. My camera mount broke. I timed it up too much and it split it. So I'm using a different solution at the minute, which is going to need a little bit of work, I think. But there we have the stamp set and dies for that one. Beautiful. I got the Easter lilies. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. He is risen. Peace I give unto you. Beautiful. Another photopolymer set. There we go. Chance for some colouring, some blending and what have you. Yeah. I got the bundle, of course, because when you get a bundle, of course, you get 10% off. So that's always good. There we have dies for leaves, flowers. That's the wrong way around, Ian. It needs to go that way. The Easter lilies dies. There we go. So yeah, beautiful. Thoughtful Expressions was the other bundle I got. Where in the world would I be without you? That is so, so beautiful. You're in my thoughts today. That is another gorgeous one. Cling stamp set, so our lovely red rubber. So we'll put that over there. And that goes over there like that. Okay. I don't stick the stickers on the stamps because I can see what I'm stamping, you know. I'll leave that task for anyone that I sell the stamps onto. But, right, I'm just turning this one round. Then I'll show it you. Just take this size out. Ooh. Now then. So Thoughtful Expressions dies. Let's close that. Come on. Get in. There we go. Oh, look at that. Love, love, love. Dies for the bird, the flowers. More layering dies. That is just so, so beautiful. Love it. Okay. With it came some, I'm guessing this is the paper for it, poetic expressions, being it's got the word expressions in it. Let me open it up. I had my knife there a minute ago. Because I've just unboxed this order. Never mind, let me just run my scissors down it. Sorry. Shaky hands, so yeah, not good. I've got some page protectors for this DSP, so I don't need to keep the plastic. And so coordinating colours first of all: boho blue, bubble bath, lush lagoon, one of my favourite colours from 2016 that was, moody mauve, mossy meadow, and wild wheat. So how many pages of each? It's double-sided, of course. So 2 designs, so I shall do that. Beautiful. Love the pattern. Patterns are lovely, aren't they? I love this one especially. One, and finally that one. That's a nice, I like that. I also ordered. I think this came out of clearance as well. This is the Forever Friends kit. Okay, I need to save that. Let's just open it up. You get a ink spot, Night of Navy, little stamp set, a block, which I don't use these blocks actually. Open it up because it's they're too small for my fingers. But I won't open that up. You know, I'll keep it sealed because it may be a gift. But oh, there we go. To turn it the right way up in. They're lovely, aren't they? Very lovely indeed. So yeah. Anyway, one thing I didn't know, because I hadn't read it, because I've been a bit behind in my Stampin' Up news, was you got a pack of paper, basic white. You got 10 sheets of 5x7. So I mean, yeah, I mean that thank you very much, Stampin' Up. That always comes in. Because of what I spent, I could have had I got my celebration freebies, and I chose this. Actually, I've chose a stamp set, Jungle Pies, Pals, and the matching dies. So I'll just get those out and I'll show you what they're like. So there we go. So we've got, we can cut out all of the animals. There's leaves there, branches, trees, tree, and such like. That's wonderful. That's lovely. I don't always go in for these fun sets, but yeah, this one grabbed me. So after that, of course, I put the order in like you do, and then I realised. Then I checked my order. You know, I got the email and everything, but I checked the order summary, and I thought, where's the catalogues? Yep, I'd forgotten to order the catalogues. What am I like, eh? So anyway, so there we go. I can't show you the insides obviously just yet, but these will be winging their way to customers. Okay, so I've got the mini catalogue and the celebration catalogue and another pack of paper. Lovely. I love freebies, you know. Anyway, hope you're all having a lovely day. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all soon. Take care, everyone.